울어도 돼 힘들어도 돼 기대도 돼 잘못해도 돼 포기해도 돼 보기 좋게 안 꾸며도 돼 Just be yourself 있는 그대로 네 모습 그대로 Vancouver 네가 있는 곳으로 I'll move on Yellow cab plane bus or Uber 비행기가 안 뜨면 I'll scuba dive Vancouver 네가 있는 곳으로 I'll move on Yellow cab plane bus or Uber 비행기가 안 뜨면 I'll scuba dive 여기까지가 네 생일날 보냈던 가사들이고 지금부터가 진짜 나의 마음이고 그냥 노래가 좋아서 내는 거니까 미부여하지마 꿈이라다가 지웠다던 그 카톡 사실 보냈었어 근데 답장하더라고 딴 사람이 그리고 바뀐 너의 프로필 속 그 사람이겠거니 하면 내 맘속엔 구름이 아마 그때부터 했던 것 같아 너에 대한 내 집착이 심해져 갈 때마다 온 너의 연락 한 통이 나를 얼마나 미치게 했는지 너는 절대로 모를 거야 내 TMI도 했어 인터뷰에서 혹시라도 네가 내 노래를 들을까 해서 네가 좋아하던 가수 제목 그대로 했어 난 네가 있던 시간 내 혼자 남기로 했어 hey.
I'm alone right now. I'm going to the gym. It is 10 a.m. Vancouver time. Last night I was supposed to go to the gym, but till we got home, there's a squirrel. Oh, y'all missed it. So as you can see, my attention. Oh my goodness, what is it called? Attention. I forgot the word. Anyways, I went to the gym right now, and I didn't get to vlog much yesterday. I got some B-roll behind the scenes for Kevin's shoot. He's doing a Peaky Blinders Canadian edition TikTok short film style. So yeah, today is a very special day because there was this friend of mine that we used to play Gunz together with back in, holy jeez, long time ago. Gunz was a game that came out back in 2008, 2009. I was introduced to Gunz by my friend, by my neighbor, but my best friend Shaq, and we played Gunz for like 5 years heavily after school, elementary school, high school. You know when you play a game and like there's fighting styles, right? And you learn the fighting characters, right? This game Gunz was actually built on glitches, meaning there was key codes that you had to learn, and there's professional ones at a higher level that you had to learn and master. And this game was built upon that. Like the way the game was supposed to work was supposed to be a sword and a gun. It literally looked like you were hacking, but it wasn't. It was part of the game. It was a glitch. And like, if you knew these codes at a high level, you were invincible. And that's what we played, was Gunz for a long time. So me and Shaq played the Gunz for years, and we were top tier. We were like clan wars for days. We were ranked like 50 out of like 1,000, I think, at that point. And we met this person named Ari. We didn't know she was from Canada. Like we were playing the Canadian server, obviously, but we didn't know she was from Canada. And she was part of a clan for a while. And there's something called Triple Butterfly, TBF, and that was the thing back then. If you were a professional gamer at Gunz, this is one thing you had to learn to be like the best professional player, or the clan leader at least, because TBF was one of the hardest things to do on the keyboard. You literally had to overclock. You have to overclock your system to get the TBF right, because the timing of it is so intense. Like you're hitting 5 keys at once, and like some computers can't compute 5 keys at once back then. Obviously now you can compute more than like 10 keys at once. So yeah, like that's what we did. And like, so this girl, Ari, she's from Canada. I didn't know. We kept playing with her for years, and we didn't know like that she was in Canada. I'm meeting her today for the first time. It's gonna be pretty cool. Don't know what we're gonna do. We're either gonna eat or check out Moon and back together. But she's coming off work and she's a student, so obviously she has very limited time. So I really appreciate her today for, you know, letting me meet her for the first time.
Here I fall in love again. 나는 정말 쉬워요. 내게 좀만 다정해주면 바로 사랑에 빠져버려요. Ooh, one-sided love affair 하고 싶지 않아요. 이루어질 수 없단 걸 알면서 자꾸 falling. One sip, two sip 마시기 시작한 지 얼마 안 됐어.
Ready? I'm good.
You're ready.
So I got this drink from Mary here called I have no idea. What is it?
It's a bird's, the swallow's nest.
Swallow's nest. Oh, it's a litter. Golden swallow nest. And what is it?
It's bird spit, basically.
Spit. From your culture, you said? Mm-hmm. So she wants me to try it and wants my reaction. So I'm gonna give the reaction to her. I'm actually kind of nervous.
I feel like you would like it. It's pretty sweet.
Bird spit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Well, some people don't like the texture, but maybe.
It's like Jello.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it's really good.
Right?
It's like tea with like.
You can describe it as
Right?
pudding.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right?
that's better than describing it as slimy. Yeah.
Like aloe vera. You like those drinks?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's really good. Oh, your boy Cruz walks back at it again. We are at Tabone. This is Carlo in front of you. What's good? We are at Tabone. And we're getting, what are we getting? I got makgeolli.
You got some hot plate.
What's that?
Hot plate.
Dope.
So
That's it?
I forgot the name. So
That's
you guys
it.
will see in a bit.
Alright, tune in.
How did Christmas Day go? That
Just-
should be me.
What the fuck? You just exposing me on vlog? you got Bing Su from Su Bing.
Back.
It stuck to me. It's the only thing that'll stick with me. Ooh.
Garbage.
Did get injured me, so I'm so excited for this shit right now. Look at it. You can smell it. 10 times zoom because you can smell it.
The closer you get to it.
I can go 30 times zoom for real. The fuck was that?
What the fuck? Stupid. I'm good.
No? Oh,
No, I'm good.
pretty good.